Okay, welcome back, guys. It's been 2 weeks or a month, I don't know, but like, okay, let's get into it and let's do what we all do every single time. So, firstly, I have USD CHF. USD CHF. If you can see, the weekly is very much bearish right now. You can clearly see that the market has been moving down, and it's been in downtrend, and you can see it's now at this zone here. So if this market is here, I'm expecting a rejection at that zone. If you enter in the daily time frame, you can clearly see that we're having some sort of left head right shoulder, left head right potential head shoulder. Yeah, but like, if you can now notice what happened here in the forward time frame, that we are having this nice break, which is at this zone here, but we don't have the retest yet. Yes, we can count this as a retest really, but this is my OG level, which is at this zone at least. So what I'm just waiting for now is if market can just reject at this zone right here, at this zone right there, then I'll be okay with selling this pair. Because even on the daily, on the 1 hour time frame, you can also see, even though it was bearish, it made a new lower low, it broke and made a new high. So this is still bullish, and if I was to sell, I have to now wait for this, simply this to happen, which is market to have a nice shift from this zone, a nice shift to break and retest to then sell. Because right now the market is bullish, so that's why I'm even anticipating, because I know this position might even reach this level here, because this in the 1 hour is now, 1 hour is now bullish. Yeah, so if the 1 hour can turn bearish for me, then we can clearly sell this pair. Then I have GBP AUD. I had this position last week, and can clearly see we had this nice 1 to 4 hit. Then we can see why it's still here is I expect this market to keep on going down, but for now I will only participate in this position if I can have a nice 4 hour, if I can have the 4 hour to do this thing right here, to repeat what it did at this level. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. Then I might sell. If it can just do this same thing, and but do it at this level here, then I'll simply sell this market. But if I don't get that, then won't take part in this, on this pair. Then I have euro card. Euro card, you can clearly see that I was looking for I wanted to sell this. Firstly, I wanted to sell this, not buys. I wanted to sell this. Let me do this. Okay. I wanted to sell this really, but I didn't like the way the weekly closed. Failed to make a new failed to engulf this daily candles. I was expecting this to go bearish, but we didn't get that. So the weekly currently is now bullish. Yeah. So what I now want is the daily time frame. Yes, the daily time frame is very clean for a sell. You can see we have this nice left head right shoulder being formed right now, and we have this break, the daily being bearish, and but the 4 hour is bullish. So if I can sell this, at least I have to wait for the 4 hour to be bearish, because as of now the 4 hour is very much bullish. So I will consider this as an elbow, because I know it's cleaner in the 1 hour. But so right now it's we are waiting for 4 hour to go bullish. Yeah, then I'll simply sell this, because I know once we break this below this level and retest and get our entry signal, I'm sure we are good to go. Because if you can see, even on the 1 hour time, frame, this is the only level where I can sell the market at, and you can clearly see that we are making a new left head right potential shoulder right there. So just have to give it, if it can break at this zone here and retest, then this is a very much solid pair. Yeah, so this is a counter trade, because the market is still bullish, the weekly is still bullish, but the daily is bearish, and the 4 hour is soon to go bearish. So that's what I'm waiting for. If you can have that break retest, then you can sell. Then I have NZD card. NZD card, and we can clearly see this is a strong sale. You can even see we're having this nice double M pattern movement, broke below, retested, caught our first sale, went back in, broke below, retested. We need to catch another sale at this zone. So let's go and let's dive into the analysis. So if I switch on the 4-hour time frame, this shit should be like, I don't know, let me check this shit. You can clearly see on the forest is bearish, but still I can't take a sale at this zone because I really want to take the sale when the market is at this zone here at my OG level, not when the trade is already playing out. That's like me taking a trade at this zone here. No, I want my trade at that level right there. So now what I'm really looking at here is just simply I have to just wait for the market to retrace back at this zone here. If it don't do that for me, then cool. I don't care even if it goes to my TP. No, that's why I have too many options to pick from. So this is what I'm only looking at. If I can participate in this NZD card pair, I have to wait for that retest at that zone. Yeah, and just remove these things because so basically I can just say all the trades are ready to go. Just depends with the one we pick and order to make the most sense for us. For an AUD card, you can clearly see I'm having a nice double top. I am having a nice double top, nice break, and it's retesting the neckline, rejecting the EMA at the OG level. And what else? All you really have to do is just like sell this shit. So just sell. Because you can even see that this is a 4-hour time frame right now, even though the 4 is still bearish, mind you, and we had this nice break, nice retest, and on the 1 hour time frame you can clearly see what's going on here. Market has made a nice head and shoulder pattern. If you see it, then you can't unsee it, but there is something interesting here. Yeah, something interesting right there. You just have to see it for you to not unsee it. Yeah, that's my head and shoulder right there. So what I need is sorry, what I need is simply a entry signal. Then I'm good to sell this thing. Even on the 30 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that it's there right now. So we are having our interest here. Yeah, if we're having our interest here, so really just wait for this 30 minutes to go bearish. Yeah, which will do something like this for me. Then I can sell this thing. Yeah, so that's what I'm waiting for in AUD card. Then I have NZD USD. Tell me if this doesn't look clear to you as well. Left head, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break, on the way to retest this zone. All we simply need is that push at that level, then sell. In fact, I have to move this. Let me show you what we're going to do. It's really just because it has to be something like this. Yeah, because that's where the level ends. Yeah, this is the level. So this is the level right here. If you can see it, then you're okay. Can't see it, then you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, if you can see it, cool. So you can see right now that market is at its level where it has to give us the money we need. Yeah, so now all I want is, because I've seen like this is the market is still bearish. Is still bearish though. Yeah, still bearish. But if this thing turns bullish, I now have to wait for market to have a retest at this zone here for me to then enter my buys, which is at, for now it's here. So I even like expect this market to have another higher high, maybe another higher high at this zone. Maybe there we can have a new higher lower low, then to then sell this thing, because as of now this is not a good spot to sell at, even if we have the shift at this level, because I really want this market to give me some room. At least let me enter my position at my OG level. Then that's what I really want to see. But like yeah, so this is the four. So this is what I'm saying. This thing has even more potential of tracing all the way back to this zone here, right there, because this is where my OG level is, because yeah, and here we even have like 1 2 3 4 more touches. That's why I know it will reach at this zone here. Yeah, then we can enter our sales. If that won't happen, won't do anything with the pair. Then GBP USD. So GBP USD and NZD USD, they are going the same direction, all heading to their OG level. And you can also see in the daily it gave me the same head and shoulder. And the 4 hour, you can also see this left head, right shoulder. If you can see it, yeah, you're good. Can't see it, sorry, but like, yeah, if you see it, then what I need now is a retest at this one here. This is where we want to see the magic happen. Is they just have to wait for the market to retest that zone, then we can spike up with the sales. Yeah, and because if you really see, we can see that market now on the 4 is very much bullish. And if we have to think of selling this thing, we have to wait for the market to have the shift at that area here, which is just not making sense for us, right? Yeah, so that's why I'm saying I need to see this to even push further at this level here, so I can have that nice retest at that zone. Then I'll sell at the higher price. Simple. Yeah, and we have. So for me, I can even, like, since all these two are going the same way, I would even pick GPUSD because it's cleaner than NZUSD for now. Yeah, and no, I would not trading USD. So then USD card. So USD card, let me just clearly see the weekly is on it's on a nice level for us to buy, then sell. We're okay. So the weekly is still bearish, and the daily candle is still very much bullish. So we can enter a small buy at this zone here, yeah, which is very much valid for me, and I can simply leave this here. Then GBP card, let's see what we have. GBP card, I really don't want even to like trade GP AUS. I traded this pair last week, but yeah. GP card, NZUSD, in as much as it looks good, but no. Then GBP, okay, this is the last one I'll do. Euro GPP. You can also see what's going on here. We're having I can keep this. Okay, so we have USD CHF. So USD CHF is I'm trying to sell this, but I would prefer to, even though like Euro CHF looks clean and the trend is straightforward, I just don't like that I'll be participating at this point here in the market. There's no like any level for me to see, okay, this thing has been held. So I think I would rather keep USD card and maybe keep this for next week. Yeah, then yeah, but it's a very good trade, and Euro card, even though I was looking for sales, it didn't give me the sales I want on the weekly time frame. So sorry, but we can't sell this thing maybe next week, because I have to follow my strategy at the end of the day. And that's when we have now NZD card, AUD card. What's an NZD card? Sorry. Right, really, NZD card, this the one I was saying I really need the market to have that nice retest. It's also okay with me. Then AD card, we know GPCH. Okay, so I have these pairs I'll be focusing on this week. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I want to buy GBP JPY because the weekly is very much bullish, and you can even see like right now market is on its way to my OG level where I'll wait for the retest to then the shift then buy. So that's why I'm also paying attention to that pair. Then I have GP card. I'm also looking to sell this pair because the market is now very much. This is a very long trade, guys. If I tell you that this trade will reach this level by the end of this year, you won't believe. But you tell me this will be a long ass trade. Trust me, trust me. So if you now put on the daily time frame, you can see what will happen. You can also see that what the hell did I just do? You can see that the weekly, the daily time frame just at the new lower low, and all I need is a nice retest, which we already saw at this zone after the break, and we had this nice break retest. Then I'm trying to wait for that shift. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. If you can give me that shift, then we'll sell this thing. But like as of now, my level is here, so this is why I'm waiting for the shift to happen. If I can have a break and retest to then sell, just like that. If this makes a new high, this will be my new shift point. But for now, it's that one. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at in this pair. Very solid, very clean. And GP Euro GBP, you can also see the market. The daily is very much I suppose bearish. Yes, the daily is very much bearish, but the 4 hour is bearish as well. Only the weekly is bullish, and I'm looking for buys on this pair. But honestly, I would like to, even though this is neat, but okay, anyway, we just keep it. We just keep it. We just keep it just for, yeah, just keep it. So here all I need is the weekly or daily to 10, the daily or 4 to 10 bullish for me. As of now, the 4 is bullish, yeah, and the weekly is also bullish. Only the daily is bearish. So right now I just need like the market to have this nice retest at this point, which is my OG level here, my daily OG level. Then here I can look for or wait for the 1 hour shift or 30-minute shift for me to then buy this thing. Yeah, so right now the only selling, I don't even have a selling point yet because it doesn't yet touch my OG level for me to even start growing out where I'll secure my buys from. So I'll update you guys as the week continues on Wednesday or on Friday. Thanks for watching again.